Respected chief guest, guest of honor, special invitees, my dear brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen who have gathered here. I have so many things to speak. I want the voice of people be heard to the authorities. But time does not permit me to do that, so I won't do that. But one very important thing, we, Tangkhul Youth Councils, wants to address to our Joint Director Max. Whenever we visited Ukhrul District Hospital and where the OSD is distributed, we didn't find the right person, right nurse distributing the OSD to those users. Only some Tangkhul, whether nurse or I do not know, they are distributing all those things. There, I doubt whether they are distributing the OST according to the needs, according to the capacities of those users. So I request our respected Sir, Joint Director Abhiram Mongjam, through your concern, in the days to come, we need the right nurse at the right place. And one thing, with my limited knowledge, I heard that the nurse supposed to be there in the district hospital should be the person from the locals. But when we actually see the person in the hospital in Ukhrul are the people, the nurse from Valley. It hurts us. So today we have the right person, sir. We request and we will be really appreciate if you give or do what we are needed. Thank you. And today we really thank our Max, Joint Director, for all the concern showing to the newly created district and to our guest speakers. They give us all the concerns. I know they are really concerned for us. Thank you once again on behalf of Tangkhul Youth Council. And one thing, ngisai koi mayam buti introduction di taubi kre. Adubu tauduba amale Sir Ashangasar madi taudubne. Ekoi youth, ekoi Tangkhul ki youth singse mabu yam nungshibne. Former MP candidate ne, amasung former MLA candidate ne 2022 gi. Ngisi ekoi sab unaba mi miyam was moina lak laga interact tauba map tam phang base. Ekoi youth council gi on behalf tagi yam nungai ekoi yam nungse adu kaktan na ma se youth miyam gi voice puba miyamani haibisi ekoi acknowledge tawe. Thank you Sir Ashang sir. Matam yam launing bane adu later matam adu gi lau roi I rather prefer the time to have more at the discussion hour. Ngisi, ekoi sida asmoina. Asikumba yam important oiba meeting. Asmoina organize tawbi bagi. Hujiki ekoi si 3.5 collective convener sir nangi members mayambusu ekoi yamna nungaye haibsi ekoi phongthok jabane hujik hidak chaba khoise ekoi da kya yaubra khangde ukrul su pungyer su kamjong da su akusom mafam kuding da chariba mi myam lebane ekoi mi myam na moiba phatte haina khanba mi su le ekoi youth council sina chatliba maram mi myam bu hairibadi hidak charasu thabak suningba mi se hidak chadbida thabak su daba mi bu nirga mama mapa bi adum charga phamba khoi budi hidak charga thabak su bu koina henna phaine ekoi ingor chaw hain encourage tawbadi natte moi miyam si kar moina phajira aina khanlaga leiriba mi ngaktane ba ekoi moi gi struggle tawbadu ekoi su yawninge ekoi su yawribane adubu adugi ekoi hidak chariba mi miyam ekoi youth miyam nariba kri mi miyam se naningbagi nabanate chaningbagi chabanate moi su moi gi ngamdaba ma gi dabak tawribane habse ekoi mi miyam na acknowledge tawbam thokpane adugi ekoi moi busu strengthen tawse ekoi moi gi rights moi gi pham thokpa moi gi hingpham thokpa adu authority miyam sin khalaga miyam si gi de su yaurga loina ekoi nungai ni hingminna ba haibisi phangnaba ekoi huji ngak tanate ekoi matam khuding da dum challi ekoi hi si 3.5 collective noi bu yam thakatli si authorities sing miyam bu su yam thakatli ai si hairaga to kharge thank you